Noggin. Noggin. There you go.
Alright, now listen. Here it is. Rub it. Okay. Look, you gotta pay attention what you're doing. Look at it. Look at it. Look, right there. Rope its head. Rope it.
Rope it, right? Rope it.
Uh-oh, you missed. Do it again.
Rope it. Let's go.
Look at its head right there.
Today.
Oh, almost.
Hey, I'm not trying to win the
Pull
world.
it.
Dally, Dally,
Dally.
Dally, Dally. Did he hit his head when he fell off?
Okay, now keep
Go
your
left.
Hold it.
Go left.
Hold it, okay? Hold
Go.
it. Don't let
Go.
go. Hold it.
Go.
No, you don't let go. You're Dally. Hold it. Hold it.
Whoa, what's this world is happening?
Hold on, we got to lift the spear stand back up. Hold on to that, right there. Okay. Okay, hold on.
Go, Cash.
Pull tight.
Go.
Okay, hold on.
Face. You got a face. You got a face. Get old black. You lost your rope. We got no time. What are you doing?
He's deer wrestling, I think. He's got his events confused.
Now sit back. Sit back on him. Got him.
Okay. Right now, what are you doing?
Hey, let's bullfrog. You want bulldog? Get on your pony.
No.
Get on your pony. Get on your pony.
You gotta put your boots on. Yeah, put your boots. Right here.
Okay, ready? You just
Hey,
hold
listen.
on. Give me the pony.
No, you're gonna let him get hurt.
There
you are.
Stop with bulldogging. We need a hazer. Okay, ready? Give me the pony. Okay, you gotta get down. You gotta get down. Ready? Get down. 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 Throw him down. Okay.
Alright.
Let's do it again.
Get back on your pony.
You gotta get back on.
Let's be running
Walk
behind
over,
him.
Black. Huh?
Okay, Cash, let's do it again. Okay. Alright.
Okay, let's go
Don't you
again.
think he needs his boots on? Yeah, put his boots
Go
on him.
again.
Stop.